So I'm here with my little Ava. Say hi, Ava.
Hi.
And we are headed to Dollarama because Dollarama always has great Easter stuff. They also have great like summertime activities, fun sets. So today's all about getting ready for Easter, so I thought I'd take you with me. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Angela. I like to go shopping to find you the very best products.
And my name Ava.
This is Ava. I like to go shopping to find you the very best products for the very best price. So click that subscribe button and let's go shopping. This little pack of Easter jelly beans. And this is cute. Little Easter egg bubble gums. Okay, Easter eggs filled with jelly beans for $3. And these cute little Easter eggs, hopping Easter Winders candies for $1.25. Okay, this is cute. Grow your own chick little Easter egg. Come here, honey. Easter bags for $3.50, just for a pack of one. Little Easter themed tic-tac-toes for $2.50. A light up Easter ball. Jelly melty beads. And Play-Doh, and then little zipper bags. These are cute for $1.25. They also have washable chalk in little Easter eggs. So for a 6-pack is $2. This cute little tulip Easter basket is adorable. How much are these? Oh, $3.50. And they also have it in these plastic bins for $1.75. Okay, they have Spider-Man chocolate. Okay, Cadbury's cream eggs. Little 6-pack of colored Easter eggs. These little milk chocolate bunnies. Cute. Little carrots. They have your classic milk chocolate bunnies. Little milk chocolate bunnies. Hershey's cookies and cream. These are always delicious. Minnie Mouse. Little egg cartons with milk chocolate eggs. These are cool. Easter bubblegum eggs. Little chocolate Easter eggs. Paw Patrol chocolates. Paw Patrol Pez dispensers. This is cool. 3-pack of Cadbury cream eggs for $3. That's a good price. Chocolate eggs. And then they also have jelly beans in the shape of a carrot. Little Easter candies for $1.25. This is kind of cute, I guess. $2 though. Whoa, that's expensive. So you remember like the dips? You dip your lollipop in like that sour powder. So this is blue raspberry, strawberry, and green apple for $1.50. Okay, look at this. An Easter egg. Comes with a headband with bunny ears. That's great. $3.75. Okay, these are pretty funny. Look at these. Bunny teeth. So it's bunny teeth like on a soother. Not my cup of tea, but cute. $1.75. Okay, Tiger Pops, assorted lollipops. Cherry, blue raspberry, watermelon, $1.25. Little bunny rings for $1.75. These are all little candy eggs for $2.75. Okay, this is cute. This little pack of jelly beans with a cute little Easter bunny. Okay, Ava always loves pinwheels. They have the best ones at the dollar store. So this little 2-pack of pinwheels is so cute. And look at this little 3-pack. So adorable for $1.75. They also have this cute little windmill, $2.25. Lots of outdoor hanging decorations. Those are always fun to include for Easter. And then your classic pink flamingo, $4. Okay, for gardeners, little garden stakes, but they're glow-in-the-dark butterflies. And then glow-in-the-dark garden stones. Lots of little gnomes. Garden outdoor decorations. This butterfly is $5. This hanging gnome is $4. Watch my Walmart video. I talked about watering cans. Look at these. And way better price. So I'm loving this duck. $4. It was $9 for watering can at Walmart. And then this little guy, $3.75. This is pretty. $5. Ava, do you want an elephant or a chickie? You want the elephant? Ready? Yeah. So these are always really cool. We've used them in the past. I can't say we've had success, but they're fun. So these easy to grow tomato kits, basil. What else they have? Parsley, oregano. These are great. So we also have eggplant this year. So $3.25, you get the soil, seeds, all in one. So cool. I think I'm gonna grab some. They also have these adorable little watering cans. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed. I love it. How much is this one? Oh, no price. Let's see if I can find one with a price. There we go. $4.50. How sweet is that? How cute are these little bird houses? Oh my goodness. I love bird houses. They're so sweet. $3.75. And they also have bigger ones here. Let's see. $4.75. So they have them in beige, pink, and blue. And they have these proper hanging bird feeders. Let's see how much these are. $4.75. I think that's pretty great. Okay, they also have these little wild bird feeders for $4.50. These are pretty. Bird bath and feeder, a hanging one. Look at that. Look at this. Window bird feeder. Wow, they got so many different options here. This one looks cool. Hanging bird feeder, $3.75. Okay, lots of little garden gnomes this year. Ava got this for her fairyland last year, $4.75. How much is this little gnome? Oh, his head shakes. He's a bobblehead. $5. Super cute. Look what I just found. Fillable poo emoji Easter eggs. I've seen everything now. $3.25. Oh my goodness. Okay, they also have silly little funny face eggs. They have like little camo eggs. They have little tiny ones. But these poo emojis, I just can't. These are great. Kind of metallic. $2.50 eggs, shiny, and then these are cute. These little chicks, so adorable. Okay, little Easter bunny garden stakes for $4.50. Oh, if you want to decorate a tree, sequin Easter eggs, Easter garland now. They just have everything, don't they? Okay, what are these? Easter string light set. Cute for, I have no idea. Okay, little Easter signs for $2.25. Easter garland. Fake flowers. These are cute removable window stickers. Which I'm sure. Oh, decorative wall stickers.
Easter cups.
Okay, Easter paper decorations. That's a cute sign. It's a cute little Easter bunny for $3.25. And look at these. I don't really know what you do with them. They're kind of cute. Crazy little chickadees. Little classic Easter baskets for $3.75. These are cute with kind of like the marabou feathers. $2.75. Little table arrangements. These are cute little shelf bunnies. I like this guy. $4.50. Okay, lots of flannel back table covers. Lots of different patterns. Your plastic tablecloth. This is a kind of a cute little plate. Little Easter bunny plate. This is $5. Cute little egg cups. Cupcake baking cups. Crazy little straws. Treat bags. These are good. These zipper seal bags, I got them at Christmas time and they lasted really well. Look at these little napkins. How cute are those napkins? $2. They also have Happy Easter napkins. Placemats. Okay, they have Easter cups. He was always a big fan of these cups, $3.50. Okay, candy molds, more treat bags, favor boxes, little egg cups here for $2.25. Oh, that's kind of a cool placemat for $1.75. And then more little treat boxes, kind of like the same that they had at Christmas time. These are grid with a peekaboo lid, $4. Okay, they got lots of great baskets, different sizes for $2, different trims. They have this giant one, let's see, for $4.75. These are great, the plastic bins. These, $2. They have it in a little chick, yellow bunny, and a pink bunny. Wow, they have tons of baskets, you guys. I think Walmart had more like fuzzy, almost like stuffed animal texture baskets. Dollar Store has more plastic baskets, which obviously are a little bit more durable. $1.50. They have that plastic bunny in green as well. Okay, lots of filler this year as well for Easter baskets. This is different, multicolor fluff. Kind of looks like spider webs from Halloween. Not sure about that. Well, this is cool. Gift basket set. Contains one basket, a bow, and wool. So like your filler for baskets. That's great for $4.75. Okay, now this is where I think it's great at the Dollar Store because they have so many outdoor activities, and outdoor activities is where it's at. Blow up beach balls, balloons. This is cool. Comet ball. So much fun. Tons of water guns. What's this? Tower of Bunnies. That looks like a fun game. It's like you build the bunnies and see them all topple down. Okay, whoa, look at all of the fillable Easter eggs, you guys, that they have here. So many to choose from, every color, shape, size, Paw Patrol, Pooh emojis, LOL dolls, you name it, they got it. If you're planning on going away for spring break, look at this, sand claw, little bucket and spades. Ava always loves these, like bug catchers, butterfly nets. These are great. This is also great, a little fishing set. She's had hours of fun with this. They also have lots of different Easter bags if you're planning on giving gifts. It's a great little reusable one. $2.50. Love the tissue paper though. Look at this one with the cute little chickies on it. $1.50 for 8 sheets. They have eggs, little Easter bunnies. Oh, I like that one with the carrots. Really cute. Okay, they have more different shaped baskets. This is great because then you can use it for something else afterwards. $3. This is cute. Almost reminds me of like a popcorn bucket. $1.75. This is cool. Oh, this reminds me of like what you would get strawberries in when I was younger. $2. That's a cute little bunny bin. Okay, now they have these at Walmart. It's definitely cheaper here than they were at Walmart, but egg decorating kit for $3. So you get 12 plastic dyeable eggs. Okay, paint your own bunny, make your own bunny house, lots of different crafts. They also have these chalkboard eggs. So use chalk to decorate them and personalize them. That's a pretty good idea. Okay, make your own eggs. Okay, sun catchers. Okay, decorate your own Easter pots. Paint pouring. Oh wow, that looks kind of fun. Scratch art hanging ornaments. Easter egg tongs. That's cool. Okay, decorate your own little cup. Lots of Easter egg kits. Plaster figurines. Bunny masks. There's so much to do here. So many different crafts. Look at these stickers for $1.50. Easter egg decorating stickers. That's a great idea. Over here, this is fun. Oh, Ava and I had a blast with this one last year. It's a click and catch. So you like pull a trigger and then a ball flies out. This hippo golf set is great. Tons of different skipping ropes this year. So much fun. Erasers, that's great if you're gonna give out treats for your class. Instead of you're worried about like peanut allergies, go for these erasers. These are so much fun. Diamond mosaics, we love doing these, $2. Oh, look at eggs and bunny hoppers. They have just like so many cool little games this year. I love it. Look at inflatable ring toss games. You have bunny ears. These would be great for little ones. A surprise gift bag, Paw Patrol. So then it comes with like, oh, stickers, puzzles, crayons, coloring book, velvet poster, and more. Play foam. Light up Chicky. Planning on having an Easter party. This is where it's at. Bunny glasses. Okay, these are also great too. Ava's had these. The frozen chalk, the frozen sidewalk chalk in pens. These are great. Oh, cool. Spray chalk. Like that. Chalk rollers. Ooh, scented bubbles. Interesting. Bubble wands. Oh my gosh, look at all these bubbles, you guys. Oh, cool. Look at that. It's to make a giant bubble wand and it's all in one. Instead of having like a bucket of soap, it comes in one. I got this for Ava last year. Hours of fun. Like hours of fun out of this. It's like basically a frisbee that you fill with bubbles and then you just dip this in and it creates all these big, oh yeah, hours of fun. Can't recommend that enough. Nail stickers. Oh, they have these headbands at Walmart. Walmart was a pack of 2. This is only 1 and these have sparkles on them. I actually like these better. Oh, little bunny hats. Little more bunny glasses. And then all the stuffies. Look at all these stuffies. And look at all those bunny ears. Oh my goodness. Okay, and for me, you can't do an Easter basket without a hula hoop. Ava and I love hula hoops. These are the best. $1.50. You cannot go wrong. All right, my friends, I hope you enjoyed my tour around Dollarama to check out all of their Easter stuff. It's actually overwhelming. Between here and Walmart, hit those stores, you're gonna be just fine filling those Easter baskets for your little one, but the Easter Bunny, he's on his own. He has to do his own shopping. Okay, is the Easter Bunny a boy or a girl? I don't know.
Girl.
Really? I always think Easter Bunny's a boy.
No, it's a girl.
Okay guys, I'll see you next time. Bye.